Hey guys, it's Andrew Murray here, and I want to tell you about the DS domination system that we have for you. Basically, I'm just going to log into my test account here. Um, Let me see. Choo. Okay, so what I want you to really understand is basically this is where you're going to be marketing DS domination, okay? But you're going to basically be leveraging my system, okay? And this is essentially the same system that I used to become the #1 recruiter in a company with over 180,000 reps, and I was pretty much one of the only people doing it online. In fact, I was doing it with Roger, and we both had a little bit of a different method. But what's really cool is the method that I have here is basically going to make you money on Autopilot. I think that DS Domination is a great program to do that. So we have a getting started guide here that you can basically read. Gives you an overview of the system and how that stuff all works. What you're going to be able to do is I want you to first thing that I want you to do is make sure all your personal information is correct. Okay, add that in. All right, and then we have some other, and so this is your DS Domination username. And then there's also some other ways that you can make money. Okay, now I purposely have this set up because I know how to do multiple streams the right way, and you want to market DS Domination on the front end. And so the first several messages do not have any distractions whatsoever. Okay, so this isn't going to distract from your primary business. This is just going to add value. Okay, and that's the other thing that I've really done is with this autoresponder system. We've really set it up so that people are going to be paying attention, and we're going to be giving value because it's important that you know how to write not just emails that are okay or all sales based, but really going to keep people engaged and really help people. So it's almost like the emails sequence itself is a product, and it's going to help you sell more of the DS domination. Okay, I'm not going to get too deep into the methodology, but I really wanted to do that. Now you can just use their autoresponder if you want. Okay, the built-in autoresponder, it'll take care of anything. You just create your account. It's all set up. Nothing you need to do. You just need to, if you want to get notified when you get a new lead, turn this on. And if you want it to go to a different email, add it there, all that good stuff. If you want, however, you can actually integrate this with Aweber or GetResponse. Okay, so Aweber, you're just going to put in the campaign name and then save that, whatever campaign that you set up in Aweber, and that's basically your list name. You're just going to put in there, save. That's all you need to do, and then of course, we're going to have a more detailed video on setting up your autoresponders. Okay, so make sure your personal information's up to date. You can view your stats here. These are going to give you real time look at your leads. You can see the leads that have come in and put them in different groups. You can send them an instant message. In fact, you can even add contacts. Okay, so you can add 20 contacts a day. So if you have people that you want to introduce a system to, that's one way you can do it. But I'm a big fan of marketing, and I'm going to be sharing with you some definitely resources over here of how to really market your system. Okay, so auto responses. Okay, these are basically autoresponders that you can add. Okay, so you can add different autoresponder messages into your account should you want them, or if you're not using Aweber or GetResponse. Edit your signature. You should always have a signature at the bottom that basically this is a sample email, and then this will be the part at the bottom. So you might want to put a call to action or something in there. Sending a broadcast. Okay, this is very important. You can actually send a message to all of your contacts. So again, this is just like an autoresponder. They're going to get the predetermined messages that we've set up, and we're going to be adding more over the next couple of weeks. We're going to make that a real feature of this system, and you would basically just type your message. You can put in links. It's just kind of similar to Microsoft Word here or WordPress if you're familiar with that, and then you can send it to all. or just some of the leads. Okay, and then click send mail. Okay, and you can use these merge codes in there. And again, we're gonna have more details on all this stuff. This is just our initial video to get started. I do want you all to upload a photo, okay, and it will be resized to 180 by 216. All right, so what that means is that's a traditional portrait type of photo, right? So the if you're looking at a page of 8.5 by 11 paper, that's the kind of dimensions that you want to have, and then it won't be distorted. If you do have problems uploading your photo, let us know, and we'll be able to help you out with that. Calendar, you can keep track of dates on your calendar, see different leads, that kind of thing. If you made an appointment to follow up and that sort of thing. Make sure that text notification is you probably want this on. So basically every time you get a new lead, I'm gonna get a text and get that sent directly to me. Actually, that's not my cell number, so I'm just going to turn that off. But if you do have a cell number, yeah, you would want to get that in real time. So you can even just write back, hey, I don't know, just kind of connect with people. Form code, okay, this is basically a form code. If you want to put this on your own site, you can certainly do that. So yeah, that's certainly something that you can do. Okay. We got a couple links here that, here's our Facebook group, all that good stuff. And what I want to show you is really the capture page. So if you click here, you're going to see what this particular capture page looks like. And that's all well and good. And what we're going to do is if I click change capture page, it's going to show me some of the different capture pages that we have. And we're going to be adding some more in. But I'm going to really be focusing on, conversions and a solid capture page rather than a whole bunch, okay? Because my whole concept of business is really about conversions, okay? And I'm not going to make a bunch of junky capture pages just for the sake of making a bunch of junky capture pages. But we're going to have some different variations, right? With some asking for the phone number, some with an exit pop, that type of thing. Just stuff that I would run, because I've done this before. I know how to, really drive a lot of traffic and how to convert, and what kind of capture pages convert, and what kind makes sales. So this is the page that I would run right now. Okay, great video from Marie on here, and people opt in. They're going to be redirected right to the webinar. We are going to have the webinar page. It's all set up, and it's coded with your link. And then if someone clicks over, after the webinar to buy, they're going to go right to your DS Domination sign up page. So that's pretty cool. And yeah, we're basically just ready to kick this off and get started. And that should give you a good overview. And again, personal information. Do follow these instructions to get your links for some of these different services. And this is, of course, is just your Facebook URL. Because these are going to be merged in the autoresponder. Okay, so the goal is really to get people onto your list and actually give them value. So you're not just, it's not just a pitch. It's not just trying to get them on your list. We're actually giving value. So people are gonna sign up right away. Watch the webinar, sign up that day, sign up the next day, sign up that week. But you're also gonna have people that are gonna sign up, 2-3 months later. Okay, because of the proof that we're loading into the autoresponders, because of the value that we're delivering, and again, all this stuff is really going to be building income for you and multiple streams, right? Because what I've learned, and this is very, very important, okay, you want to have a main program, and then you also want to market on the side marketing tools, okay? Because if you're marketing tools, even if somebody's already in DS Domination or they're really happy with their company, they may not be willing to move, but they're still going to be a prime candidate for buying marketing tools from you, and you make a commission from everything that we put in this back office. So again, guys, welcome to the system for DS domination. And yeah, I'm really looking forward to helping you dominate in DS domination. Thanks, guys.